Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new number 8. The 8 legs of an octopus, so strong and long, help to swim, crawl, and climb. Count the fishes, count the rocks. Now let's count the beads in the bar on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 beads. 8 legs of an octopus, 8 stones, 8 fishes. Now think and tell, how many legs does an octopus have? How many fishes are there in the picture? Thank you. See you in the next lesson.